How to use the ViGuide app for updating or replacing the BCU on a Vitocrossal 200 CI2. First, locate the boiler serial number and the gas valve CV2 value. The boiler serial number will be located at the back of the boiler. Next, check for the CV2 value sticker on the front of the gas valve. If this sticker is missing, check for the main gas valve sticker at the back of the gas valve. You will need to input these values later in the process. Next, we need to open up the access point. We do this by hitting the menu, going to Service, keying in the service password. And once we have the service password typed in, use the arrow key at the bottom to go to access point and turn the access point on, hitting the green check mark. Do not hit the check mark once we get to that point. And now we go to the ViGuide app, spare parts replacement. From here, scroll down until we see BCU replacement for Vitocrossal CI2 and select the BCU that you're going to update or replace. Next screen is information on how to replace the BCU. You can push continue at the bottom. And on this screen, we record the boiler serial number into our ViGuide app. Next, we're going to connect to the boiler's access point using our device camera. We can use the QR code, or we can manually input the serial number that's on that QR code. At this point, you want to ensure that there is no call for heat or demand on the boiler to fire. Once the boiler is connected to your device, it immediately starts the calibration process, updating your BCU. This process could take up to 60 seconds. Once calibration has been successfully completed, you will be prompted to enter the gas valve CV2 number. Congratulations! Now that the replacement is completed, put the boiler settings back to their previous. Thank you for watching Replacing a BCU on a Vitocrossal 200 CI2.